Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so again, apparently it happened again, so I was too late on the event, so it ended up ending before I could do another part of it, so sorry about that. On this next event, Motocross, whatever the heck it is, I'll try to do more than just one session of it, because I don't want to just do one of everything. That'd be kind of boring and stupid. But yeah, so we got the chest from last time. Sorry for not making a video for quite a while, but we're doing it now, so yeah. So I think today we're just gonna try to get up more ranks because we gotta get going on this. And also, we didn't get the red chest last time because I was focused on the event at the end because I actually forgot it. So we're going to try to get that today too. So we're doing the first snow and possibly upgrading this again. But, oh yeah, and the tractor. But I think I'm just going to keep it like that for now. I think I'm just going to use this vehicle for all of it, because I think it's my best vehicle. I just said best vehicle. Sorry, I meant best vehicle. Woohoo! So if you guys didn't know, the fuel booster is actually really rare for like one of the first parts on a vehicle, so I was really lucky to get it. Just letting you guys know that, in case you didn't know. Ooh. Oh, I almost did another flip, but I didn't because I fell on my stupid face. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Woohoo! Yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm winning this one too. Hey, I did a flip, but my roll cage fell off, but it doesn't matter because I was at the end. So yeah. And just barely made it over that little thing, I don't know what to call it, and made it onto that one as well, and gonna do a flip here. Woo! No problem. And let's just do one more right there. I did it. Personal best. Woo! Okay, so we got another chest that we can open. Oh, we got a new cap, the factory cap. Cool. Okay, so now we got a chest that we can open next time. And yeah. Okay, that was a weird noise. It was like bait. Maybe that was when I pushed that lever thing. Woohoo! Alright. Yoink, got the fuel. Oh shoot. Oh yes. Okay. And I did it. And I'm rolling backwards. A lot of noises in the factory cup. It kind of makes sense. But anyway, yeah. So I won that one. Yeah, it's that lever. There's like a noise that comes out of it. Yoink. Oh, I made it onto this, something, I forgot what it's called. There's things at like the airport where you can walk on them, and then it'll take you there, but instead it's for vehicles. Oh, it's gonna push me off the edge. Let's see if I don't die. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Great. That's okay. Okay. I hit the button again. Oh crap. Woo. Oh no, I'm screwed. Shoot! I died. But I ended up tying for first. Oh, and I got the rare chest for the daily bonus. Let's go. So, yeah. Boom. And we also got the red chest. And yeah, so I think today we're gonna try to get the, kind of forget what it is, not gonna lie, but that motorcycle thing. You. And I did a flip. Whoa! And it fell on my face back there because I could tell because I was tipping when I went out the screen. But it doesn't matter because I already passed the finish. Yoy, flip-a-doo-doo. Yeah, I did it. And that sounded loud, so I think I died. But we got the motocross. Okay, I was close with motorcycle. Hey. So, I'm gonna buy it right away. Yes, let's get it. 20,000 coins. Okay, let's upgrade the engine as much as we can, because that's what makes it fast. And I can't do it anymore, so now we'll upgrade the grip. Okay. And then put a part on it. The flip boost. Okay, so I think that one pretty much explains itself. I think you get like a boost when you do a flip. Pretty sure that's what happens, but yeah. So yeah, right away it's pretty fast. So yeah, I think I might keep upgrading this vehicle because it's pretty good. Yoy. Jeez. Does anyone say yeet anymore? Oh, okay. I flipped over at the end there. Okay. Yes. Woohoo! I lost my hat, but I'm alive. And try to do a flip here. So I can get a boost. Yes! I did it, so I got a boost. Yes. Wait, it's stuck. Okay, it was stuck for a minute. But then it came back to reality. I just wanted to smash my head there because I thought it would look funny, which it did. Whoa! That was close. Okay. Here we go. Everyone behind me has died. I'm gonna try to not die because only bad people die. Yeah. So here we go. Oh, we got a flip. Woo! Didn't give it to me though. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm almost at the finish. Yes, sir. Alright. I was also the only silver there, so I'm not that surprised. But anyway, we are also going for another red chest. Because apparently if you wait long enough, you can do another one. Because it'll update it. And again, as I said, I haven't made a video in a long time, so it makes sense that there's another one. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Okay. Yoink. Oh my gosh, did you see that flip? That was crazy. That was like so close to the ground. It was crazy. Ooh, it froze again, but it doesn't matter because I got a flip boost. Why is it freezing so much, man? Okay. Whoa, that was close. Dying. I almost died there. Okay, woohoo! Oh my gosh, I got a flip in midair, so it gave me a boost. But I didn't have to do that, because I was dead. Well, not dead, but off the thing. Plus I was past finish, so it wouldn't have even mattered. Woo! And let's go for a flip. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Here we go. Zoopy dope. Oh my gosh, it gave me another boost in midair. That's funny. That one kind of flips easy. Alright, so I'm going to get that red chest and then be done. So the highlight of this was probably the fact that I did Motocross. Or anyway, I won't say the highlight, but yeah, because I don't want to spoil it. But you'll probably see the title anyway, so it doesn't matter, but whatever. Okay, let's jump this gap and not fall in. Oh, well, I got the boost. So I was able to get out of it easy. Cool. Okay, and then let's do a flip here. Woohoo! Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, I still did it, though. Hey, that was funny. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm not trying for a flip there. That was way too risky. Yo, no! Oh, wow. I almost like slammed on the thing there. Woohoo! Yeah. Yo. Okay, so I think after this cup I'm gonna end the video. So yeah, that's because I'm already guaranteed the red chest, and the video is pretty average length, long, whatever. Yo, oh, that would have been the best flip of all time, but I still won, and I still got the red chest. Yeah, let's see what we got. That's a nice hat. I might put that on in the next one. But that's going to do it for this episode. This hill climb episode, for that matter. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. And suggest anything you want to see again. And yeah, stay tuned until next time. See ya.